वकील साहब, ये धारा 35 का नोटिस आया था पुलिस स्टेशन से, और हमारे पड़ोस में एक लोकल भैया जी हैं जिनकी एसएचओ साहब से डायरेक्ट सेटिंग है। हमने उन्हें बताया, उन्होंने कहा सब देख लेंगे, लेकिन थाने में जाकर बातचीत बनी नहीं और हमको 2 दिन थाने में बंद रखा। बताइए क्या करें। नाउ देयर इज एन ओल्ड सेइंग दैट गॉड हेल्प्स दोज हु हेल्प देमसेल्व्स। आई थिंक देयर शुड बी अनदर सेइंग दैट इवन योर लॉयर कैन हेल्प यू व्हेन यू हेल्प योरसेल्फ, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू to take any step legally on your own, because professionally lawyers are there to do that, but the bare minimum that you can do is to act as a man of reasonable and prudent sense when you find yourself hanging between the clutches of law. Now what happened in this case was, this man received a notice under section 35 clause 3 of the BNS from this police station in a district of Uttar Pradesh. He goes there with that local bhaiya ji, nothing works out, and the police keeps him straight in custody for 2 days. The backstory was that the police officer who had sent this notice to him belonged to a family who had a feud with this man's family for the past 3 decades. But what he could have done to save himself from landing in trouble was to approach professionally to an advocate, either the local bhaiyaji, and ask for a professional advice what should be done next. The least that he could do was to send his relative or a friend to the police station first and ask them to see what are the circumstances. Same is for everyone. When you receive a notice from police station, you receive a call from a police station कि आ जाइए, कुछ जांच पड़ताल करनी है, बात पूछनी है. Either engage a lawyer, or if you have a friend who is a lawyer, ask them what should be done, and the bare minimum you can do is send your relative or a friend to the police station so that they can go and see what is actually the matter. Always remember, when you receive a notice under 35 clause 3 from the police station, the police do not have the power to arrest you. They are only calling you to ask you questions regarding a matter that can be filed against you.